Have you ever felt this way? You want to do something big. Your dreams climb higher than the sky. You see yourself successful, strong, fulfilled. But when it's time to take action, you stop. And then you say the same old line, "I'll do it tomorrow." If you've ever been determined yet lazy, this story might open your eyes. There was a village full of greenery, fresh air, and wide fields. In that village lived a young man named Harith. Harith was 25 years old. Young, healthy, strong, and his heart glowed with 1,000 dreams. He used to tell everyone, "One day, I'll become the most successful farmer in this entire village. My fields will shine like gold. People will learn from me. I will earn respect from everyone." Everyone admired his dreams. But the truth was, Harith was extremely lazy. When other farmers stood up with the sunrise, Harith was still sleeping peacefully. When men worked under the burning sun, Harith would sit under a tree and talk endlessly. When women carried water, he would say, "I'll do it tomorrow." Big dreams, zero action. One evening, Harith's uncle, the wisest and most respected farmer in the village, came to see him. He looked at Harith's empty field, fertile land, but completely lifeless. His uncle said, "Harith, your words touch the sky, but look at your land. There is no sign of life." Harith laughed. "Uncle, don't worry. I'll start tomorrow. Soon my farm will be the best one here." But his uncle knew this tomorrow never comes. Then the uncle took out 2 small pouches. "These are 2 magical seeds," he said. Handing him the first seed, he said, "This is the seed of hard work and success. If you water it daily, care for it, give it time, it will grow into a tree that blesses you with respect, wealth, and peace." Showing him the second seed, he said, "And this is the seed of laziness. If you plant it, it will grow immediately, but like wild weeds, it will destroy your entire field. It will eat every hope, every effort." Then he added, "Harith, both seeds are in your hands. Your life depends on which one you choose to water." Harith thought, "I want success. Of course, I'll plant the seed of ambition." But the next morning, the same old Harith woke up. "Not today. I'll do it tomorrow," he said. Days passed. One day, out of boredom, he planted both seeds, even the one he should never have planted. A week later, when he visited his field, he was shocked. The entire farm was covered with the weed of laziness. They had spread everywhere, fast, strong, destructive. And the seed of hard work? Weak, dry, almost dead, because it had never been watered. His uncle arrived, saw everything, and said, "Harith, this field is your life. The seed of success is delicate, it needs daily care. But laziness, it grows on its own, and it can destroy your entire life." For the first time, the words pierced Harith's heart. He fell to his knees. He picked up the dried seed of hard work, and tears filled his eyes. He finally understood. Empty dreams change nothing. Hard work changes everything. Action changes everything. The first step changes everything. Next morning, before sunrise, Harith made the biggest decision of his life. He stood up. He tore out every weed from the field. His back hurt. His hands bled. Sweat dripped down his face. But he didn't give up. Every day, he watered the seed of hard work. Days passed. Weeks passed. Months passed. And slowly, that seed grew into a strong tree, full of fruit, full of blessings, full of blessings. And Harith had changed too. He was no longer lazy. He had become the man he always dreamed of becoming. The whole village now knew him as the man who defeated his laziness and changed his life. Dear listener, this is not a story about farming. It is a story about life. Inside every person, there are two seeds, one of success, one of laziness. Whichever seed you water daily, your life becomes like that. If you have big dreams, make a decision today. Will you water the seed of success, or let laziness destroy your life? Remember, tomorrow never comes. What comes is today. Start today. Revive your dreams. Pull out the weeds of laziness from your life. Because success doesn't come to those who just dream. Success comes to those who wake up and work for it. If this story touched your heart, like the video, subscribe to Tailies with English, and share it with the person who dreams big, but hesitates to take the first step. Let's begin today. Let's change our lives today. Let's water the seed of success.